What if the key to a lighter, healthier you wasn't about cutting out your favorite foods or spending hours at the gym, but about adding something simple to your daily routine? For some people, the gelatin trick has been a game changer, helping them wake up without the bloat and feel more energized throughout the day. By incorporating the gelatin trick into their morning ritual, they've noticed a significant difference in how they feel. And it's not just about the number on the scale. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient to support your body's natural processes, making it easier to drop that heavy feeling and get on with your day. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its ability to help her stay on track with her weight loss goals, even when life gets busy. She loves that it's just a simple addition to her morning routine, using basic ingredients from her kitchen to make a big impact. The gelatin trick is a gentle, yet effective way to support your body, and it's easy to incorporate into your daily life. To learn more about how to use the gelatin trick to support your own weight loss journey, check out the link in my description below for a detailed guide. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and tricks for getting the most out of the gelatin trick.